Okay children, now today in this video I discuss some questions on the basis of the properties of the matrices. The question number 1 was find x, y, z from the following equations. Equation is the matrix equations. The first matrix is the 2 cross 2 matrix and second is also 2 cross 2 matrix. This is the known as the matrix equation. Then how solve the x, y and z? Since these two matrices are the comparable means their orders are the same, therefore we compare the corresponding elements. So we got the equations like that. The x plus y equal to 6. So we get the one equation, and 5 plus z equal to 5. Here is 5 plus z equal to 5. It is the second equations, and now it is the 2 equal to 2 already is here. Or x y is equal to 8. The x y equal to 8 means we have got the three equations. So to these three equations, we solve the value of x, y and z. Now come to the equation number 2, where 5 plus z equal to 5. So we got it z equal to 0. This we get value of the z. Okay. Now from the algebraic identities, you know the x minus y whole square equal to x plus y whole square and minus 4xy. See the algebraic identities. So we try to find the first value of x minus y. Since x plus y is given from equation number 1, therefore we are putting the value of x plus y in this algebraic identities. So we got the value of x minus y, that is equal to x minus y whole square equal to 4. It means x minus y equal to plus minus 2. Okay. So now for positive sign and negative sign correspondingly, so we have got the two equations. First we are taking x minus y equal to plus 2, and here is equation first, x plus y equal to 6. We solve them, find the value of x and value of y. So x equal to 4 and y equal to 2. Second, for negative sign, x minus y equal to minus 2 and x plus y equal to 6. Then we again solve. So find the value of x and y. So this is the value. These are the values of x, y and z. This is the complete solution for the such equations. Okay. Now we come to some questions. Whether this question be collected by you, by the students. So now I hope you will be try to the question, but I give the hint for these questions. Question number 1, if the matrix, their first row equations are x square minus 4x, x square and x cube equal to minus 3 and 1, and it is minus x plus 2 plus 1. So find the value of x. Same one, in this equation, this matrix is also comparable. So we compare and find the value of x. Okay. The question number 2, find A, B, C and D if this matrix 2 cross 2 order matrix, this equal to this one. It is the matrix equation. So now same one, we compare and find the equation and solve the values, solve the equation and find the value of A, B, C and D. Okay, same pattern. And the question number 3, find the additive inverse of the matrix A. So you know the children, if A is the any matrix, then their additive inverse only be multiplied by the minus 1 in that matrix. How we multiply the minus 1 in that matrix? We multiply the minus 1 in each and every elements of the given matrix. So that is the additive inverse of that matrix. So now for in this question, A is here, it is 2 cross 3 matrices. Okay, to find the additive inverse of this matrix, nothing to do, we only be multiplied by minus 1 in each element. Then we got the additive inverse of A. Okay. Then now question number 4. Find A, small a, find a matrix capital X such that it is the 2A plus B plus capital X equal to 0. Where A, B and X, these are the matrix. This is the matrix equation. Where A is given, A is this one, B equal to this. Okay. So how find the value of X? So simply putting the value matrix A and matrix B, multiplied by 2 in matrix A, and then adding the matrix 2A and matrix B. Okay, and then plus X, and now X equal to this. We are getting the single matrix, so taking the right side. So right side their sign will be changed. So multiplied by the minus 1 in each element. So we got the value of capital X matrix. Okay. The next question number 5, if 2x plus 3y equal to this matrix, the 2 cross 2 matrix and 3x plus 2y is equal to this matrix. Find x and y. So simple. We solve them. Solve them means like the linear equations in two variables. We solve either substitution method or the elimination method. We find the value of this capital X and capital Y, where capital X and capital Y is not the give the inequality, the matrix form. Capital X and capital Y will be matrix. So that is the matrix X and Y. And the number, this is the number 6. Show that the cos theta of this matrix plus sin theta of this matrix is equal to I. I means identity matrix. So we first multiply by cos theta in the first matrix. How we multiplied? The cos theta in first one, the cos square theta, then it is sin theta cos theta, and here is minus sin theta cos theta, minus cos theta sin square theta and cos square theta. Plus here multiplied by sin theta in the second matrix, and then adding these two matrices. So when we are adding these two matrices, we are getting the first element should be 1, second will be 0 for the first row, and for the second row, first element is 0, and second element should be 1. So that is the identity matrix. Okay. So now which is finished. The questions will be tried, and now I meet in the next videos. So I discuss some properties of the multiplication of the matrices. Thank you.